Do you crave sugar all the time? Then I have good news for you, because you can curb your sweet tooth using 3 simple tricks that you've probably never heard of before. As a registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator, my clients are always asking if there is an easy way to crush those sweet cravings. And there actually is. These are the 3 simple tricks that I recommend to all of my clients to squash those sugar cravings for good, and anyone can do them. Number 1, swap out added sugar for naturally occurring sugars instead. Added sugars don't act in the same way in your body as natural sugars found in sweet foods like fruit. Added sugars tend to spike blood sugar and insulin, and they can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster of highs and lows that can trigger additional cravings. Now, naturally occurring sugars are often found bound with fiber and essential nutrients, so they don't impact blood sugar in the same way, which means that they can help to curb that desire for sweets without causing you to want more. Now, in recipes, one easy suggestion is to replace added sugars in a 1-to-1 ratio with pureed fruit instead, like pureed prunes or pureed banana. This easy swap allows you to cut the added sugar while still giving you that sweet taste you're looking for, so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without the cravings. And if you want to just eat the naturally sweet fruit by itself, go for it, but always add a protein or a healthy fat. So you want the apple? Add some peanut butter with it so you stay satisfied longer and curb your sweet cravings. Number 2, get adequate sleep. Research has actually found that after a poor night's sleep, your appetite increases and your body's cravings for the quick energy sources like sugars increase. Because really, your body needs more energy to power through that fatigue. So if you want to stop those sugar cravings, focus on getting quality rest every night. At a minimum, 7 to 9 hours of quality uninterrupted rest. Number 3, stop depriving yourself. One of the biggest reasons that cravings often occur is due to deprivation. Look, if I told you right now you can never have ice cream again, what happens? You want ice cream, right? That's because you set yourself up to feel deprived. So if you stop telling yourself no and allow yourself to have those sweet treats when you want them, but make sure you do it in a mindful way, you can get rid of the cravings. So when you're craving a sweet treat, make sure you have a small portion, put it on a plate, sit down and eat it slowly and really savor every bite. Eliminate the distractions, and when you eat that sweet treat mindfully, you'll notice that you feel satisfied without the desire to want more. Now, if you want more ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without the added sugar, then check out my video on my favorite low sugar dessert ideas and let me know which one you're going to try first in the comments.